Hello guys, I'm currently adding some new array features to my Blender 2.8 add-on Carve, and in this video I want to discuss these features with you. I want to implement a simple and user-friendly way to add and edit an array modifier. Of course, I could just add a button, for example, to the selected objects menu, which adds an array modifier to the active object. For the steps I do here manually in the Modifier tab, I could add some sliders to the panel, so that you can set the number of array items and an item distance in a comfortable way. Once the array modifier is added, you can use the existing features of Carve and for instance use the difference operation to cut out these parts here from the target. The cutters will be deleted then when the delete after apply option is checked. And that's quite nice already, but maybe there's a much better way that's even more user-friendly. You know, there's a primitive mode in which you can press keys to change the primitive type or the Boolean mode. I thought about adding a new keyboard stroke like the letter A that activates an array mode, and after that slider widgets could appear in the 3D view that you can use to set the number of items in the array or to define an offset. Another possibility would be that the array mode is separated from the primitive mode and can be activated by pressing a different button or keyboard shortcut. Another idea I have is that the arrays are not limited to normal array modifiers, but could also be arranged in a circle like this. So guys, please let me know your opinions and ideas. I'd really like to know before I implement the features, so go ahead and add these to the comments below and let's discuss. If you like the add-on and my channel, then don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and you can support me by being my patron. This would really help a lot. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on JNM.